Hi everyone, I am back from a 10-day trip, and it's always a little nerve-wracking to leave your garden for so long because you never know how you're going to find it back. But my family was there, and I have to say they took such great care of the garden, and everything is going really well. It's still green. The hollyhocks are beautiful this year. And today is watering day, and it's definitely was getting droopy, so I'm watering. Lots of bees everywhere. And amazingly, I still have poppies, which I really didn't think would still be there, but apparently the weather was actually quite cool while I was gone, so that was lucky. Unfortunately, now we are well above 95, so everything really needs water. And the squirrels are waiting to be fed. I'm going to turn off the water. It's always a bit difficult to water with the way I plant because I don't put necessarily the shorter plants in the front and the taller plants in the back. So that means that the water could be blocked, and if you don't pay attention, the stuff in the back does not get watered. So that's why it's difficult when I leave, and I know it drives people crazy to water for me. And butterflies. But as the plants grow, they make such a dense shade on the roots that it really pays off in the end, and they need a lot less water than I would have to if they were more planted further apart. I'm also surprised that the sweet peas are still going really strong. I got these from Annie's Annuals online, and they are just beautiful, fragrant. I'm really happy with them. And the poppies, red ones this time. It's the first year that I get to see the red ones that I plant. They don't really like it in California, I don't think. But where I'm from, which is the Alps, they go everywhere wild, and I really wanted to try again. I'm glad I did, because every year I keep the seeds, and when you do that, they get acclimated to the place where they live, just like the rest of life, you know. When you come from a cold climate and you come here, it's so hard. It really is. It's so hot, so dry, for so long, and you think you're never going to acclimate, but of course you do. It's still hard for me, for some people, but it's a lot better than it used to. And really at this point we don't consider it that it's hot until it reaches 95. Oh, and the lavender is blooming too. Just starting. Oh, pumpkins. I had not seen that, but I think I'm going to start having little pumpkins soon. I planted a lot of basil before I left. So I've got all kinds of basil. Blue basil from Africa, Thai basil, basil from Italy, of course, lemon basil. And I have to say everything is looking great. I've got little alpine strawberries. Wow. Well, here is one of the big pine cones that fall from that tree. Luckily, I think it missed the little tiny... No, actually it did crush one of it, basil seedlings, but no matter, I have plenty. The little peppers. The corn is taking off. And the tomato plants are looking beautiful. Oh, and we have little mandarins. I planted this tree a month and a half ago. I didn't think we would get mandarins the first year.